on Saturday evening. Greetings.
Roger. 1, Adam 10. Proceed to patrol area.
If it's nice tomorrow, I may go jogging. Gotta work on my body. Can't be all brains, right? I know I'm bad. Maybe like that.
Give me a Coke.
Do it anyway.
You're in all kinds of shit now.
Little girl.
Fucking had it with you. You go home to your mama and send her my love.
Wait there! Kiflum. Right, thank you. Hold it! Kiflum.
Attention all units.
thanks.
A suspect resisting arrest in Rockford Hills.
Kiflum. Right, thank you. Wait there! Kiflum. Yeah, thanks. My mistake! Move along!
Well, that's lame.
What the fuck are you looking at? Hey, look! It's a bunch of girls!
I got my eye on you, all right?
Son of a bitch!
Hold it! Kiflum. Right, thank you. My mistake! Move along! I got my eye on you, all right? Wait there! Kiflum. Yeah, thanks. My mistake! Move along! Hold it! Kiflum. Right, thank you. I got my eye on you, all right?
Ah, damn.
Citizens reporting an 11351 in Vinewood Racetrack.
Lost used to be a family. I hear you.
Wait there!
I didn't get into this to sleep.
Kiflum.
You said it.
Yeah, thanks.
Logo Mike's got a pussy. That's the only explanation for it. A big-ass hairy pussy. You don't have to tell me.
My mistake! Move along!
Don't shit,
Why the fuck did you walk into me? Looking for trouble?
motherfucker.
You fucking loser.
Typical. What an asshole. Hey, go screw yourself!
What the fuck do you want?
You're not going anywhere! Take some cover! You! Idiot!
Assistance required in East Vinewood. Units respond code 3. All units, we have a disturbance in Textile City.
We copy you. On standby.
Backup needed in East Vinewood.
Man up! I'll cover you!
Copy dispatch. Adam 4 en route.
Here we go! All right, give me something! Could be worse. Get over there, stat!
Assistance required in East Vinewood.
Let's do this! Nope, this one's gone. Do not panic. Help has arrived.
Check for a
Hold
pulse.
it!
Not again.
End of the
Let's see what
road
we
for
can
you,
do.
pal!
Good lord.
Assistance required in East Vinewood.
Ah, they're dead.
Wait there!
Slow in the motherfucking head.
Oh, hell, not looking good.
You're
Haste.
under arrest, dumbass!
It's a wrap for this one.
This sucks.
Assistance required in East Vinewood.
Oh, long day. What the hell?
We're way too late.
Ha!
Hold it!
Right on.
Stay calm. I can save you.
You're mine now.
Think I'm gonna be sick. Right on.